Bring more gourmet flavor to the table with the advanced features of the Electrolux dual fuel range. Here are some tips and an overview of your control panel to get you started. Prior to cooking, make sure you set your clock. You will want to set the clock by pressing the oven temperature knob to enable time selection. The hours can be set by turning the oven temperature knob right or left. Press the knob to confirm the selection. Repeat the same process for setting the minutes. Next, try testing your inside lights. Simply toggle between on and off by turning the oven temperature knob to the bulb icon. The oven lights will automatically turn on when the oven door is opened. Now, let's review the knobs on your range. You have two oven knobs, oven mode and oven temperature. The two knobs on either side of the display are used to operate the oven. The outer three knobs on the left control the left side burners, while the outer three knobs on the right control the right burners. If you are using the 30-inch range, you will have two separate knobs that control the front and back of the center fish burner. Each knob also has markings to help guide your flame settings. To use the knobs for the cooktop, start by pushing the knob in and turning it counterclockwise. This will light the burner. Then, when the burner is lit, you can turn the knob to set the flame size. To browse and select an oven mode, use the oven mode knob and scroll to your desired mode. The oven modes include bake, convection bake, broil, and convection roast. The auxiliary modes are steam clean, proof, and warm. And the special functions available are Sabbath mode and temperature probe cooking. Next, set a manual cooking cycle by simply pressing the oven mode knob. The default display will appear. Turn the oven mode knob to select the cooking function. Then, use the oven temp timer knob to select the temperature you want to set your oven. Press the oven mode knob to start cooking. Each oven function has its own auto-suggested or default temperatures. The temperature bar on the right side of the oven display will flash until preheat is complete. Your oven also comes equipped with 3 timing functions you can set via the display: Minute Minder, Timed Cooking, or Delayed Cooking. Minute Minder is used to warn you when the set time has expired. It does not stop any function in the process. Cook Time automatically turns the oven off when the time set has elapsed. Delayed Cooking allows you to start a function after the preset time. To set a manual cooking timer, first, set a manual cooking cycle by pressing the oven temperature knob until the displays show the min and clock icons and the number 00. Then, set the time by turning the temperature knob. Keep pressing the temperature knob until Start flashes on the display. The countdown starts immediately. Press the oven mode knob to start cooking. Now that you've had the chance to get to know your oven display and settings, you can start delivering delicious results for every meal. For more information and tips, reference your use and care manual or visit us online on the Electrolux website. For better living, Electrolux.